Welcome, Wagwan. This is how I make my chicken foot soup. So this is about a pound of chicken foot. I washed it, put it in the boiling water. I had some pimento seed and garlic to it. So I let it boil. Then I'm going to peel the food while it a boil. Then we add our food to the pot after 30 minutes. Give it a good stir. So now we'll crush the pumpkin and then put it back into the pot. Stir it in. Then we add our scallion and thyme. Now we're seasoning the pot. So we add the scallion and the thyme. Then we add some soup mix, some cock soup. Drop in my scotch bonnet pepper. Oh yeah, to make it nice and flavorful, more flavorful. Give it a stir. So our chicken foot there looking good. And add some all-purpose seasoning. Let it cook for another 10 minutes and there it is. Soup is ready. Nice, rich, delicious chicken foot soup. Thanks for watching and follow me for more delicious Jamaican recipes.